Okay, short question about your lungs and the breathing system. The diagram here is showing an air sac or an alveolus. So you have millions of these air sacs in your lungs. They make your lungs have a really big surface area, and the alveoli are always in close contact with capillaries, those very, very small blood vessels. They're only one cell wide. You can see the red blood cells on this diagram squeezing along the capillary, and the point of this is so that they can collect oxygen to take to your cells in your body for respiration, and also to remove carbon dioxide from your blood so you can get rid of it. So cell X on this diagram is a red blood cell. Oxygen is moving through the wall of the alveolus and into the red blood cell. There's more oxygen inside the lungs, so oxygen is diffusing out of the alveolus and into the red blood cell. The substance in cell X that combines with oxygen, that joins up with the oxygen, in other words, which is the stuff inside the cell, the red blood cell that carries the oxygen. We know that the red pigment inside our red blood cells is called hemoglobin. And finally, cell X on the diagram, the red blood cell, does not have a nucleus. That's a special adaptation of red blood cells. It means they can fit more hemoglobin in and carry more oxygen around your body. The final part of this question asks you to draw an arrow to show the movement of carbon dioxide during gas exchange. So it's important to show the direction. That's why you're drawing an arrow, and the carbon dioxide is going to go out of the blood in the capillary and into the alveolus. So effectively the opposite of the arrow, which is showing the movement of oxygen. Draw the arrow on your diagram, pointing out of the blood into the alveolus, and label it carbon dioxide. If you're being very fussy, you would draw it from the plasma rather than the red blood cells. The carbon dioxide is dissolved in the plasma of the blood.